Um,
It's okay.
that's my dad.
It's alright. G W
G W
E
E
N.
N.
Do it again. Gwen, do it again. Dito right here.
G
G W
W
It's okay.
C
E G W. Good job. E
E E
N.
N.
How about daddy's name? Wendell. W
W
E
E
N
N
D
D
E
E
L
L
L.
L L.
Wow. How about Kevin? Do you know how to write Kevin's name?
How?
K, like mommy's name. K.
K
It's okay. And then yeah, here you go. K. One more here. E.
E
Too big. Okay, it's alright. K. V. V. Yeah. Like this, like that. V. Okay, V. That's very good. Y.
Y
Do you know how to write Y? Y. Good job. Oh my God. N. N.
N.
Oh my God. Can you write Tabios? Tabios. T.
Who is that name?
That's our last name. T.
T
A.
A
B.
B
Wow. I.
I
O.
Hold on.
O.
O
O. S.
I don't like S.
Like the snake. Remember? I told you like a snake. No. No, S is like this, baby. S. Like that. Have to put more here. That's S. But mommy's name. Can you write mommy's name? K.
I don't K.
Like K, like Kevin, like that. K. Like Kevin. K. Yeah, it's alright. You did good. And then you just put right here in the middle. K. That. A. R. Wow. E. N. Wow. Ang galing naman. Very good. Galing naman ni Ate Gwen. Good job, baby.